Hey, what's up everybody? I just want to show you this quick tip. So I recently got this liquid here. It's like Eclipse Optic Cleaning Fluid. I use it along with these K&F sensor swabs to clean my sensor for my camera, and it worked really well, really well. And the reason I got this one is because I got the combo with this swabs plus the cleaning fluid that it came with, but I didn't use it for so long. I didn't need to really use it at the time, and I think it was open, so it was leaving streaks, and I didn't like it. It wasn't working well. So I got this. It says it's the only brand recommended for cleaning sensors. You can also use this on your lens, on your phone, your sunglasses. You could use it on whatever. And it worked so well after doing some research on it. I was like, what is this? And it's just pure methanol. And yeah, it says, see, it's flammable, and it's just basically pure methanol. And you can buy pure methanol for a big bottle for 18 bucks or 19. It's almost 1 liter. So 32 fluid ounces, 32 fluid. Can you use it? Oh, the ND filter. That's 32 fluid ounces for $18. And I got 2 of these for 15. Now, I guess it's convenient because it comes in a little dropper. But if you want to save some money, do some DIY, you can get this industrial grade 99.85% purity methanol. I'll leave both links in the description below. Both Amazon links in the description below if you want to use it. And let me show you how good this stuff works. I'll use it on my phone screen here first. Let me get it all greased up. Alright, so I got it very greasy. You can see that right there. So as I get it into the light, right there, very greasy. So let's see how good this works. We just put a drop of fluid right there. Close that back up. We'll just use a microfiber towel here. And that looks perfectly clean to me already. So let's do the same angle where we went like this toward the window. Wow, look, no greasiness. There's some scratches, yes, but no grease. That was really quick and super easy, very effective. It's pure methanol. If you like the eyedroppers, go ahead and just get these. And you can use this on anything: sunglasses, your lens, your sensor. If you're gonna use it on your sensor, watch a video about that. You're supposed to put the liquid on the sensor swab first, and then go wipe back and wipe forth, and that's it with the swab. Supposedly, you don't want to scratch your sensor or anything. Very sensitive, supposedly. Anyway, yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the tip. Thank you again for tuning in, watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you guys use this stuff already, or if you didn't know if it was pure methanol and you're about to go save some money.